Have you ever felt small before the power of nature? Together with Protect Nature, we will explore the deep mysteries of the planet and experience powerful emotions. From raging storms like giant monsters to majestic erupting volcanoes, each natural phenomenon brings us valuable lessons about life and death. Let's explore, learn, and protect our common home together. Are you ready for this adventure? Each white wave is slowly entering, signaling a nightmare is about to strike. Tsunami can sweep away houses, trees, vehicles, and seriously damage coastal infrastructure. Dark clouds poured in, covering the sky, signaling the terrifying appearance of a tornado. Seawater infiltrates rivers and fields, increasing the salinity of water and soil, affecting agriculture and domestic water sources. The forest became darker and dimmer due to being covered by fire and smoke. The building kept shaking, as if it was ready to collapse at any moment. Each sharp hailstone fell, as if it wanted to pierce everything it came into contact with. Each stream of black water, carrying mud and sand, rushed in violently, as if it wanted to destroy the bridge. The whole forest seemed to be covered with a bright red fire and the gray color of thick smoke. The red forest seemed to glow, eclipsing the gloomy blackness of the night sky. When the storm passes, only devastation, ruin, and loss remain. Landslides are like a deep wound on the face of the earth, leaving unpredictable consequences. Each stream of turbid water entered the city violently, washing away everything it passed through. Carrying terrible, destructive power, they make humans terrified when they hear about it. The volcano that suddenly erupted looked like a giant kettle of boiling water. The phenomenon occurs when magma from underground is pushed to the surface through an active volcano. When it erupts, it releases large amounts of ash, gas, and lava, causing serious damage to the surrounding environment. Each stream of turbid water carries all kinds of waste and sand into the villages. Like a furious hurricane, the wind rose and screamed as if it wanted to blow everything away. People's lives were turned upside down and faced great difficulties when houses and villages were submerged in water. Under the violent shaking of the ground, this sturdy and solid building collapsed completely in an instant. It seems that the vehicle system suffers quite serious damage after each hailstorm. When the snowstorm passed, this place was covered in white and looked gloomy. The sky was as dark as ink. Lightning flashed like dancing fire snakes. It is a great danger for boats here. The fast-flowing water seems to want to engulf everything. Each fierce and ferocious white wave collided strongly with everything blocking its path. Torrential rain poured down, covering the entire night sky with white. After the heavy rain, the vast sea of water seemed to be trying to submerge the whole city. It devastated and burned down the entire forest, causing great damage to the flora and fauna here. Strong and powerful, the rushing floodwater engulfed the entire village here, creating a truly terrifying scene. Everything happened so quickly, the ravine gradually cracked and fell into neighboring areas. Under the impact of lightning, it seemed that a long, scorched streak appeared on the tree trunk. Each vicious white wave approaches the mainland, creating a dangerous and scary scene. Each giant block of ice continuously cracks and becomes ruined in just a few seconds. It looks really scary when trees, houses, and vehicles are completely destroyed by it. Rocks and soil collapse loudly, carrying everything along the way like a rushing waterfall. Like a fury from the sky, cold stones hit the ground. After heavy rains and dam failures, flash floods occur suddenly and unpredictably. It carries mud, rocks, trees, and other materials, washing away everything in its path. When a forest fire occurs, the fire can spread quickly, destroying thousands of hectares of forest in just a few short hours. The large amount of smoke emitted causes serious air pollution, affecting the health of humans and animals. Snow covers the roof, creating a romantic scene like in a fairy tale. As if empowered by the wind, these raindrops fell non-stop, covering the entire sky. The misty rain poured down, as if wanting to wash away all the crimes against nature that humans had committed. Water levels rose, and vehicles had difficulty moving. Floods caused great damage to houses and infrastructure, especially in low-lying areas. The entire large city was submerged in water. Everything happened so fast and dangerously. Fire trucks were not enough, so the government mobilized more firefighting forces from the air. After the fire ended, everything here was devastated, leaving only ashes. The scene became more terrifying than ever. The world seemed completely engulfed. The sky was covered with snow, making it difficult for traffic to move. A pure white color covers the whole place with a thick layer of snow. It seems that people are frightened by nature. They rush to flee from this scary place. Thank you for accompanying Protect Nature on the journey to discover the power of nature. Your concern is a precious gift that further motivates us. Together, we have learned and better understood the importance of protecting the environment. Your companionship is a clear testament to the love and care we have for this planet. Thank you very much.